So this is the CCZ TianGong CZ10. It has a 5 drivers in each side and full metal body, and the price around 4,000 rupees, just about $40 to $45. When I saw these specs, I thought, okay, there must be some problem, right? Because 5 drivers metal build at this price point, something maybe not right. So I tested this CZ10 for the 2 weeks for music, gaming, long season, short season. I used him like every other normal user, and now I know who should buy this and who should not. So this is my honest review, no script from the brand or not any favor to the brand, just my real experience. Okay, so first let's see what inside the box. We got the earphone itself in a black color, and I think currently black is the only option available. 3 air tips also included, small, medium and large, and foam air tips also including, which is nice. When company give the foam tips, it means they care about sound, so it's a good sign. But the sad thing, there is no storage case or pouch. At the $45, I think they should give at least a small pouch, but sadly we don't have it, so here we have to buy it separately. Now let's talk about the cable. This is a 0.78 mm 2-pin OFC cable, oxygen free copper cable, same as we got with other IEM in this price range, so nothing new, but good quality for the price. So don't worry, it will not break easily, and it only has a 3.5 mm jack option. No USB Type-C variant available with this IEM. So if you need a Type-C, then you have to buy separate cable, or you can just use your USB deck, or you can buy a new USB deck. Now the design wise, it look really unique and quite interesting. As a tech person, I really like this design. The faceplate is transparent, and the inside we can clearly see the mechanical gears design, so it give feel like some expressive skeleton watches. So yes, design wise is quite unique, and the build quality I think best in this price segment, or maybe in every price segment, because it has a full metal build, zinc alloy with power coating, and I think there are the heaviest IEM I have tried in my life. So build quality rating I can give a 9 out of 10. So CCZ did a very good job here in the build quality segment, even in the design segment. Now let's talk about the comfort. It's very important, because if earphone is not comfortable, it doesn't really matter how good sound quality is. So first thing, the nozzle is very long, longer than most of the IEMs, and it goes deep in your ear canal, and also the nozzle is very wide, not narrow like some other IEMs. So if you have a small air canals, or you don't like a deep fit IEMs, then this might be not provide you the best comfortable experience. But for me, or who have a medium size ear, or if you large ears, then the comfort is pretty decent. I use mostly a foam air tips. They are more comfortable, of course, and I also sound become a little bit warmer also. So I also suggest same for you as well. First try with foam tip. I use them for at least 3 to 4 hours without any pain. So comfort is not best, but decent. I will rate 7 out of 10 to the comfort. Yes, it's heavy because of the metal body. Some people might feel the weight, but honestly, once they are in your ear, you don't notice the weight much. Good thing is there are small vent hole on the IEM, so no pressure build up in your ear. So no discomfort from the air pressure as well. Now about the microphone, I have the mic version, so let me show you how it sound. And yes, it also has a without mic variant option as well, but there is no any price difference between these two, so I will suggest you you need or not, just go with the microphone variant. So this is the mic test of the CCZ CZ10. I am speaking in the normal voice. This is how it will sound in call or Discord. It worked really good. You can say it worked fine. Voice is clear. Other person can understand you. Is it not a studio quality, of course, but for the gaming voice chat or phone calls or online meeting is good enough. So now finally, let's talk about the sound quality, and this is the most important part of the review, so I will explain everything in the detail. First, let me explain what inside. This IEM has a 5 driver per side, means total 10 drivers. One 10 mm dynamic driver with dual magnet for the bass, and 4 balanced armature driver for mids and treble. Now you may think a 5 driver means a better sound quality. Technically yes, but not always. What matters is how this driver work together, and after trying, I must say CCZ has done pretty good job here with this tuning. So first, what type of sound signature this IEM has? I will say it's a V-shape tuning. A proper V-shape tuning means a bass is boosted, a treble has a good presence, and the mids are slightly behind. This type of tuning is made for the fun listening, not for studio monitoring or analytical listening. If you want to enjoy your music, tap your boot or move your head with music, then this tuning is the best for that. Now go to the detail. Let's start with the bass, and honestly this is the best part of the CZ10. The 10 mm dynamic driver handle all the low frequencies, and because it has a dual magnet, you get extra power. The sub bass, it goes deep, really deep. You don't just hear the bass, you actually feel it in your chest. Hip hop, EDM tracks sound excellent with this heavy beat. The bass has a good slam, good punch and good weight. So if you're a bass lover, then you will really enjoy this tuning a lot. Now, is it a tight or controlled bass like expensive IEMs? No, definitely not. It's slightly loose, but it's not moody or bloated, so it doesn't bleed too much into mids. So for the price, bass performance is very impressive, very satisfied. I would definitely rate a bass 8 out of 10. Now let's talk about the mids. Because of the V-shaped tuning, mids are slightly recessed, sit behind the bass and treble. But good thing is, within the mids, upper mids and lower mids are pretty balanced with each other. I try many V-shaped tune IM in this price segment, and most of the time I found the mids are out of the balance. But good thing with CZ10 is it handled very good way. Male vocal and sound warm and smooth, not forward but pleasant. But female vocal are actually pretty good in this. They have energy but no harshness. Instrument separation are also decent. You can focus on guitar, drum, vocal separately if you want, but everything has a warm tone because of the BA driver, of course. Now here is the simple thing. If you really listen vocal focused music like acoustic song, classical music, soft romantic song where the vocal are the main focus, then mid might feel weak to you. The vocal are there, but they don't come forward in the overall mix of the song. But the most of the other music type mids are acceptable. Not the best, but not a bad either. I can rate mids 7 out of 10 if I say. Now treble, the higher frequencies, this is again the best part. There are the 4 balanced armature driver to handle this. So of course, it will sound good, and I'm happy to say the treble is smooth, no harshness, no piercing sound that hurt your ears. You can listen for longer duration without any fatigue. Yes, some micro details are missing in the higher frequencies, but most of the people this is actually better because no listening fatigue. So treble is a smooth and enjoyable. I will rate treble, I think 7.5 out of 10. Now let's talk about the soundstage. Then soundstage is really impressive in this CZ10. Even if you can count it in the best in this price segment, it has a good width and the music doesn't feel stick inside your head, and left and right separation is also really good. Even imaging is also good, but I have to honest, it's not a razor sharp. You can easily tell where instruments are, but you cannot pinpoint exact location like in higher EMs or other EMs. So I will rate imaging a B or B minus. Good for the music, definitely more than enough for the music, but not the best for the competitive gaming where you need a precise location. Yes, for casual gaming, single player games, story driven games, CZ10 is definitely really good option. This price range because it has a powerful bass, so explosion, gunshot feel very real, and the whole gaming experience has become a cinematic and impressive. So like music, casual gaming and movie watching is also enjoyable in this CZ10 IM. But when it comes to the competitive gaming, my opinion is little bit different. Yes, you can play the competitive games with CZ10 and you will hear footstep, you will hear abilities, you will hear enemy position, but still it is not the best choice for the competitive gaming. It's definitely a decent choice, but not the best. Because as we discussed earlier, bass is a powerful in this IM, and in FPS gaming, footstep are in the mid frequency range. So sometimes the bass can mask the footstep sound, not always, but in some situation with explosion and gunfire together, footstep can be hidden. And second thing, imaging in this IM is good for the music, but still for the competitive gaming, you require precise imaging. Precise imaging definitely give you advantage. With precise imaging, you can easily know exactly where your enemy is 30-degree left or 40-degree left. So these two things not make the CZ10 the best for the competitive gaming. I mean, for gaming tournament or the competition gaming, it's not ideal choice, but better to go with the balanced tuning IM. But for regular competitive gaming or casual gaming, not a problem at all. So now let's wrap everything. Overall, CZ10 is definitely fun sounding IM. It's tuned for enjoyment. Bass lover will very happy with this tuning. If you want to feel your music, feel the bass. If you play game casually for just enjoyment, if you want a premium build quality without paying a premium price, then CCZ CZ10 is definitely good choice at this price point. I will definitely recommend. But if you want to listen a soft acoustic or classical music, or if you want a natural balanced mid-focus sound, then CZ10 may be not the best choice for you. You can check some other option in this price range like Troop Gear Zero Red, or you can buy 700 Stelner Zero or KJ Caster Pro at half price. So this is my honest review of the CCZ TianGong CZ10. I hope this video help you to make a decision. You will find the lowest price buying link in the description below and the comment section. Don't forget to press the like button or subscribe button. I will see you in the next video.